Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way in which you can actually make money with Google. Okay, you don't need to be an expert to make money with this method. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you to miss a video. Okay, I'm usually talk about real ways to make money online, passive income, lead generation, affiliate marketing, and related topics. If this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. So, as I mentioned, I'm going to show you a simple way in which you can make money with Google. There is no technical knowledge required. This is not rocket science, but you need to put the hours, okay? And by the way, keep watching until the end of the video because I'm going to show you a better way in which you can actually make money from the comfort of your home. So now, as you can see, and I'm on a website in which it's basically like a top 10 list. Okay, as you can see here, we have top 10 things you might not know about popular action movies. Top 10 horrific facts about the Blackout Ripper. Okay, so it's all about top 10s. Top 10 mysterious identified people. So these are catchy, titles. The website is called Listburst. Okay, you can go to listburst.com and you're gonna land here. As you can see, they do have different categories. You can see which are like the popular articles. So it's actually really, really cool. How are you going to make money with this? Where you're going to click here where it says Write for Us. Okay, here on Write for Us, you're going to land on this page. Okay, here you're going to see there are simple rules. Okay, first, we are going to be submitting on our own articles. If you are like, oh my God, I don't know, I really don't know how to do like a top 10 article, don't worry, I'm going to show you a simple way. So now let's review first the rules so you can have like a better idea. Okay, so first of all, the article needs to be original. So you're not going to be copy and pasting someone else's article. Okay, it's not rocket science. This is not like a thesis or something like that. It's really simple. As you can see here, you don't need to be an expert, but you need to have great English, a sense of humor, a love for things unusual or interesting, and being in one of the following countries, which is US, UK, New Zealand, Ireland, Canada, Australia, and South Africa. And by the way, if you're not from this country, please comment below and let me know where you guys from, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content specifically for your area. Okay, so if you're in one of these countries, you are going to be writing list articles. Like 10 items per list is a minimum, and you're gonna click here where it says send it in, and they're gonna reply if they like it, great, we're gonna publish, or sorry, is not something that it is something that the people or the readers are gonna be interested. Okay, these are gonna be lease payments. Okay. Previously, they were used to pay $100 per article. I'm not 100% sure if they're still doing. Chances are that they do. And if you're someone who have a following, you can be a contributor. Okay, so once you have your article ready, you're gonna click here where it says submit a listing. Okay, and you are going to put your name or your nickname, your email, your PayPal account, because you're going to be getting paid through PayPal. Here, you're going to put the title, okay, the introduction, and the article must be between 1,500 and 2,000 words minimum. Okay, see here are some hints, some terms and conditions. So make sure that you agree with everything here, and you are going to have PayPal money. Okay, now you might be wondering like, okay, this is something that it feels like I can do, but I'm not sure like how I'm gonna be writing articles, right? Okay, This is the very first website that you can access. You can type on Google Articles Factory, and you're going to click the very first link, articlefactory.com, just in case that you don't want to Google it. Okay. And here you are going to see that they do have several articles. Okay. And several topics as well. Okay. These are free articles. And today is July 21st, so you can see this is updating on the daily basis. You can see like different articles about different topics. You are not gonna copy and paste them, okay? What you're gonna do is that you're gonna rewrite them, okay? You're gonna find an article that is gonna be suitable for listverse, remember? Listverse here. Okay, and you are gonna rewrite it. Okay, you are gonna rewrite it. It can be something about technology, or it can be something about health. Okay, the second website that I'm gonna show you, it's called eZine Articles. Okay, you're gonna Google eZine Articles, or you can go to ezinearticles.com. This is going to be the very first link here. They have been around like forever. Okay. So in eZine Articles, okay, you are going to also have the opportunity to find articles for several topics. Okay. If you like pets, and this is something that you can do like the top 10 curiosities about, I don't know, Chihuahuas, boxers, Rottweilers, American Bulldogs, right? And this is something that you can submit. You can do the same with all these topics or categories. Remember that you can model whatever you have here. So this is your opportunity. And by the way, let me tell you, in the case of eZine, you can join and you can be a paid contributor. Okay, so you have an opportunity. There are several websites, so like listverse. So just Google it. You can type listverse alternative, and you're gonna have other websites in which you can submit your articles. By the way, this is a method in which you need to put the hours, because as you can see, you need to do the research. You can go here to Articles Factory. You can go to eZine Articles. Right, you can combine, and you need to have your own creation. Okay, so you need to put the hours, you need to do research. Yes, they can pay you more than $100 per article. It's going to be PayPal money. So if you feel comfortable trading time, and you know that your time is going to be limited, because chances are that at the beginning you can write maybe 1 or 2 articles per day. Okay, but if you want to go to the next level, if you want to enjoy time, if you want to enjoy life, if you're looking for a better way in which you can make even more money from the comfort of your home while you're having, time with your family, do whatever you like. If you like to travel, if you just like, hey, to be there, I don't know, with your pet. Okay, I'm going to leave the link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. It's going to be my number one recommendation to make money online. Even if you decide just to do this from the comfort of your home, you don't need to have any kind of technical knowledge, or you don't need to have any kind of skills. Okay, it's going to be the very first link in the description. Okay, if you guys enjoyed this content, please give me a thumbs up. This is going to help me. It's going to help my video. It's going to help my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area. If there is someone who you know that he or she might be in the need, to make money right now from home, and they're okay with exchanging, their time because, hey, they love to write, they love the idea of writing, share this video with them. Okay. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I see you on the next video.